Hello everybody, I'm Gemify, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to multiply decimals. Now before I begin, I'd like to ask you, if any of you have enjoyed this series so far, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and if it's been helpful to you, then let me know. Anyway, multiplying decimals. So here we have 3.6 times 6.2. Now what we can do is we can make these whole numbers, right? So now to make these whole numbers, what we need to do, we need to multiply them both by 10. So for now, if we're going to multiply them both by 10, then that makes that times 100. Right, then we have 36 times 62. Then all we have to do is, if you've watched my video on multiplying multiplying and dividing long numbers, then you'll know how to do this. All we have to do then is, we have our number, if I make it smaller, 60 and 2, then 30 and 6, right? We have there, right. 3 times 6 is 18, plus the 2 zeros. 30 times 6 is 60, 6 is 36, add the 0, and 6 times 2 is 12. Now, if we use a green pen now, we have 1,800, 360, 60, and 12. Oh, hang on. And 12, right. If I use blue now. So there's 2, 7, right. So here's our answer. We have 2172. Now, what we have to do, if we, I'm going to get rid of this. Actually, no, I'll keep that. Right. I'll just, if I can, never mind. Okay, so 21. Where am I writing it to? There, 2172. And this is when we times it by 100. Remember, we had to times it by 100 to make sure it's not a decimal. Well, now we have to revert it back into a decimal. So now we just have to divide it by 100. And all we have to do here is add a 0. So here would be divided by 10, but to divide by 100 would be here. So the answer is effectively 21.72. So here it just, where's the equal sign on here? There. 21.72. Right then. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I've just thought we're going to make this video into another topic as well. Let's do division as well. Multiply and divide. Right. Now if we start over here. That's the first time I've ever done that, I think. Last minute. Anyway, so let's have a look. Maybe let's do 90.3 divided by, oh yeah, we ain't got that. Divided by let's go 0.3, right? Just to make this easier. So what we got to do, if we're gonna make these into full numbers, we have to times these by 100. So if we times by 100, we get 903, and then now we just divide by 3. Now, also, I mentioned this in the same video I was on about earlier. So all we have to do, so if we put 903 into the bus stop method, how many times does 3 go into 9? 3 goes into, how many times does 3 go into 0? None. And how many times does 3 go into 3? Once. So our answer here is 301. However, we had to times it by 100 in order to make them not decimals. So now what we've got to do, we've got to take that 301 and we've got to divide it by 100. Then we have 3.01. Right, so thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful, and be sure to have a good day. Oh, actually no, one more thing, I promise. A couple of weeks back, I made a video top I don't think it was a top 10. It was a top 5 things I do to revise video. If you're currently going to be sitting the test soon, then have a look, check it out maybe. Alright. Anyway, I mean it now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.